My turn.
My ball.
Oh, what's that noise?
Salivating.
It's coming from outside.
Oh, well that's just the wretched people from the farm playing ball.
Oh, what are people?
What are people? Bad news, that's what people are. You should count yourself lucky ducky that I'm going to spare you from ever having to encounter one of them.
Duck!
Yes, correct. It's a duck.
Duck!
Yes, I know, it's a ruddy duck.
Actually, I think I'm a mouse.
Duck!
Goose! Struck out by a foul ball.
You broke the window.
The ball's going inside.
Huh? Oh no! They're coming inside! That's a great idea. You hide right there. I'll try to find my own way back into the junkyard. Perhaps we can have lunch some other time. Goodbye. Oh no. Now, was it right past the cowshed and then left to the hen house? Oh, I'm sure it was left past the cowshed. Oh dear. I think I'm lost. Do you know which way? Do you know the way? Can someone please tell me the way?
Rolling! So, tell me, Ida, it's been a week now since your son went missing. How are you holding up? Can you manage a deer for the camera? What? Ida, dear, this is Jay Bird from America's Most Feathered. They're doing a feature. Now, which side do you think is my best? Ida, there have been rumors of farmyard bullying. Do you believe your son was abducted? Or is it possible he ran away to escape his persecutors?
What are you saying?
Ooh, that's good. I'll buy that. Defensive, yet emotional. Just a hint of anger.
What about
I'm filling up here.
What about me? Does anybody care about what I think?
Sorry, sir. Coming to end of transmission. We're gonna let Ida have the last word just in case her son is out there watching. But for now, this has been Jay Bird for America's Most Feathered, saying if you see anything suspicious, from those thieving little magpies to lost ducklings, the chicks at the switchboard are here to take your call. All right, Ida, it's all yours.
Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear. Everyone may call my name, but it's your voice that I hear. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Get away from me. Go on, all of you. Every day seemed to be more empty than the last. Everywhere the sun once shone, a shadow has been cast. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.
Ida, you just can't leave me with the other four.
You managed, Drake. My mind is made up.
But love, you're wasting your time, and you know you are. Apart from which, it's dangerous to go beyond the churchyard at this time of the year.
I won't be satisfied until I find the truth. Try to understand, dear. A mother knows.
Here, take the cell phone.
Every moment seems an hour. Every hour
come to. Shabby flock, I do wish they would keep up. No discipline. That's the trouble with the goslings of today.
They're probably tired, dear. We've been marching an awfully long time.
Poppycock, would you prefer that we fly? With a shoot on the marsh? I think not, my sweet. This way.
Excuse me.
Ah!
Oh, I wonder if you could help. Oh.
Ah.
You see, I'm lost.
No excuse for bad navigation. Whoever gets off his flight path doesn't deserve his wings. That's what I always say, isn't it, dear?
Always, dear.
But I can't fly. I got lost on foot.
Ah, infantry, eh? Messy business.
He's only a youngster. Maybe we should direct him. Give him his marching orders.
Bah, very well. We're geese. Migrant, you know. Birds of passage. Run a tight fleet. Wouldn't do for us to lose our way, what?
Now, where were you trying to get to?
Oh, back on the lake. To my mother. I think it must be in that direction. I saw some ducks flying over a few minutes ago.
Well, if you did, it was probably their last flying mission, what?
What do you mean?
Well, there's a chute on the marsh, dear. It's very dangerous.
What is a chute?
Well, it's a people sport. One group of men move through the marsh, scaring ducks into the air, while a second group, with guns, shoot them back out of the air again.
The cat warned me about people.
The cat?
Yes, you see, I went out with this cat.
Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous a cat is?
Well, yes, but the cat said she was my friend.
You don't want friends like that, dear. You're